Introducing BIMIL's new add-in, Snap View. Before using Snap View, exporting an image from Revit took time and involved too many settings. And it doesn't capture exactly what you see on screen. Now, let's click on the Snap View button. Your current view is instantly captured and shown in a preview window. Now let's open the Snap View settings. Turn on Copy to Clipboard in the settings. With one click, it's previewed and copied. You can paste it directly into PowerPoint. Turn off Preview to copy instantly. Along with copying, you can also enable autosave to automatically save each capture to your chosen folder. You can also choose format and resolution. Now you can tailor Snap View to fit any workflow. Just toggle on Copy and Autosave, and set a shortcut in BIMIL settings. One press and you're done. When Autosave is on, you can click Open Folder to instantly view the saved image. Imagine how much faster your documentation will be.